Hello guys, this is how to make your Windows 11 faster. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So in your search menu, you're gonna search up settings and we're gonna go ahead and open up our settings. And then we're gonna click on system and then click on storage. Then we're gonna scroll down and then we're gonna enable storage sense. So make sure that that is enabled. And then you can go ahead and click on cleanup recommendations, and this should give you recommendations on the apps to remove or any other files, data that you are not currently using. Um, just make sure, and then you can go ahead and clean that as soon as you're happy with the checked files, and that should take a moment cleaning up. Once that is done, go ahead and click on privacy and security. Then click on general. Make sure that all those are disabled. And then you go back to privacy, click on speech. Then you're gonna turn off the online speech recorder. Then back to privacy and security, then click on inking and typing. Just make sure that that is disabled right there. And then back to privacy, security. And then make sure that the diagnostic is disabled. Then we're gonna go down to app permissions. So we're gonna disable location. Then we're gonna open up the camera, make sure that that is disabled too. Go back to privacy, notifications. Let's make sure that that's off. Back to privacy, and then we're gonna look for messaging. So with messaging, as long as you don't have the people's app on, then you can just turn that off. But if you are using the people app, then I'd suggest you keep messaging on. And then we're gonna go to radio. Um, I would suggest not to turn off the radio because this could affect your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So just keep that on. Um, then we're gonna go ahead and click on system and click on notifications. Click on advanced, and then make sure that the box to get tips is unchecked. Then the next step would be to go into apps, then open up all the installed apps, and then in here we're gonna want to make sure that all the startup apps are disabled, all except the antivirus. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna click on the Windows and then R key. And then in that text box, we're going to type in sysdm.cpl. So that's sysdm.cpl. Click OK, then click on advanced. And then you're going to click on settings performance. And then you're going to click on adjust for best performance. Just check that box right there. And then you're going to select the following. Uh, animations in the taskbar, save taskbar thumbnail preview, uh, show thumbnails instead of icons. Let's go ahead and click that, and then show window content while dragging, and then smooth edges of screen fonts. And once that is done, you're gonna click OK. Then we're gonna open up settings again, and we're gonna go into gaming. Then we're gonna disable the game bar. And then we're gonna open up that by pressing the Windows and R key again. Then in the text bar, we're gonna click on temp. Then we're gonna go ahead and delete all of that. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna click on the Windows and R key again. And in the text bar, we're gonna type in percent temp percent, and that should open the temporary files on your computer. And then just go ahead and select all of those. And then we're gonna go ahead and delete all those files once we're done selecting them. And that shouldn't take more than a while. And then once that is done, your Windows 11 should be faster. So it is that quick and it is that easy. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.